Aywa! And we're going home to Musafa for New Year celebration. Yes. Now we're on the way from Abu Dhabi to Musafa to Vernier. Now time is 4:38 and the sun is still shining here.
Road direction.
Now here is we have Aywa. Still Happy New Year sa lahat. Yes. Philippine time is 8 o'clock. Yeah, 8 o'clock. Everybody is rushing to go home for preparation for New Year celebration. Kaya lang dito sa Middle East walang fireworks. Kaya nakakamiss talaga ang Pinas. Nakakamiss ang Pinas pagdating sa New Year. Unlike sa Middle East talaga tahimik lang, kain ng party. Okay, we're now approaching near our destination.
Man,
Yes.
my all boot computer I take
Yeah.
USB.
No problem.
USB.
Okay, bye-bye muna. Happy New Year sa lahat. Happy New